We enter now in the month of Ellul, and from astrological point of view, Virgo, sign of Virgo. Now what we are going to discuss today is about the sign of Virgo through a Jewish astrological side. In my book, I wrote a lot about it, about the zodiac, as you can see. And this is really the first edition, or the second edition is this one. And there you will find a lot of ideas behind this month. So let us start first, really, with the idea of this month from Jewish point of view. And as already I mentioned, a lecture about the creation of the world in 22 letters, which are basically the basis of astrology. Every zodiac element was created with a letter. Like in this lecture, if you put astrology, lecture, Glazerson, you will see the basis idea. Which is the basis for everything, really, to understand how the months are going together with Hebrew letters. In fact, this idea, seeing this book of mine, changed the life of the greatest astrologist at the time, Sidney Omar, very famous, was writing in New York Times and other papers, and nobody knew that it's Jewish. In fact,